Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SHIB update for Thursday 18th of August. Now I'm on the weekly time frame right here, and as far as I look at SHIB right now, there's a level of this support that you might be looking for SHIB moving forward, and that's going to be this level up here, something like that. And it could have been that SHIB has never met the technical target of this level. So let's say if this is some sort of a rounded bottom right here, which in my opinion doesn't look like a very legit rounded bottom, but if it's one, then you're taking this top to the bottom right there, and you might be still looking for SHIB to continue to 2140. Now keep in mind, I don't think this is a valid rounded bottom because this was more like an inverse head and shoulder that has broken out and met the technical target to the upside. So this could have been the end of SHIB right now. You could have already have SHIB to go to its main technical target, and not only that, you do have a bearish Harami candlestick. So it's going to be very important for SHIB to break this level here. I'm going to tell you that level, and it's going to be 1687. So what you want to see for SHIB right now is you want to come up here, you break this level here, and then you come down for the retest, hold the retest, and backtest things to actually continue higher. Otherwise, this could be the end of the pump to the upside for SHIB, and you could be looking to drop to the downside. Now there's one technical target still pending for SHIB, and Bitcoin is also coming down to $19,000. So be careful, Bitcoin is about to drop big time. And if I do take this monthly bear flag, we're looking for SHIB to basically have a technical target down to 568 level, because when it came down here like this, it made a bear flag. Now this is something known as a continuation pattern, and it broke out of it, and you're still looking to come down here. So this is still in place. So you can't go up, down like this, go up again, come down like this, go up again, doesn't matter, go in a wavy journey until you finally don't really come down there. So you guys really have to be careful. The only way to invalidate a flag is to break the highest part of the flag, and that is SHIB has to work its way back up to above 3733 and hold this level, and then we're good to move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this update. Quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.